All right, so we got a new one today. This is actually an interesting looking one. This is from Target. I believe it was $150, and it's Rookies and Stars exclusive 200 card Pulsar Prizm Factory Set, and then it includes 5-card bonus pack of parallels. I think that it's kind of confusing because that's what it says there, but on the bottom it says look for randomly inserted cards, and then it says red base Pulsar Prism, and then I don't know, numbered 50 to 1 even for red, rookies red, and blah, 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 numbered 50 to 1, possibly. So it goes base, blue, pulsar, green, gold, black, and then red. Yeah, I don't know if, I think that's just in the bonus pack, but it's interesting that it would say it like randomly inserted because it's, I mean, randomly inserted in that 1 5-pack. Anyway, I wanted to open this one up. I had a lot of fun with Rookies and Stars so far. Got like 5 megas, I think I did. And then whatever the limit was for Target, I did all of them. I did megas, hangers, and blasters. And I did a video of opening 2 of each in one video. So hopefully it was helpful for you guys. But anyway, I wanted to see what these look like. I like Pulsars. I think they look crazy. And so having the whole base like this, I thought would be pretty insane to see. So this is the big pack right here, 5 cards. That's basically what you're kind of paying for this. You're paying for this, and then some of these in here are worth something, right? So I wish that they wouldn't do this though. They pack it in here with foam on one side and then just straight up against the wall on the other side, and it's pretty packed in here. So hopefully this isn't the rookie side. Of course it is. Of course it's, oh, of course it is. And with the Trevor Lawrence straight on the back. Look at the bend on that. Well, so that's like one problem, but it is what it is. I mean, look at this, dude. These look incredible. So there's a Trevor Lawrence right there. Apparently that guy is somebody sought after, but he also didn't live up to expectations yet. So maybe, hopefully he'll have a good opportunity to make it awesome. So I'm going to look through these. You know what? They're not numbered in numbered order. So because of that, I'm just going to kind of thumb through and see some of my favorites, I guess, or the sought after ones like Zach Wilson there. And I'll show you guys those ones, and then I'll kind of just get into the pack because I kind of want to look at some of these first. I'll go through them quick, as you can just see right there. There's a lot of rooks, though. Look at all these guys. So we have Mika. I mean, they look so dope. So this is that Pulsar vibe here, and I haven't seen a lot of this because you know, I haven't been around very long, but also Pulsars are like you pull them from other things. So there's fields right there, and I can't speak about the centering of anything, if it's good or bad or whatever. I can't really talk about that because I can't really tell how the centering is on this weird of a card, but the backdrops look kind of rad. Rookies and Stars was fun though. There's Trey right there. It was a fun set for sure, and the megas are definitely dope. Although it was weird that there's Mac right there, another big one. So for those wondering, the top rookies that at least it seems like everybody's been collecting, whether or not they live all up to their names is another thing. And some of them will go down, I'm sure, in value, and other no-namers are going to go up like crazy because they'll be super awesome. But usually the quarterbacks are the ones that hold the most weight. Even Kyle Trask is like pretty decent, right? Let's take a look though and see. I think there's still some more rooks here though. I mean, there's a lot. There's Waddle, and then there's Sermon, and let's see, Kyle Pitts even. These look really, really dope though. There's the big one right there, Jamar Chase. So yeah, I mean, I'll pull out a couple more here, and then of course we got to see the big one, and it's gonna be not very exciting. Oh, so these are the regular ones, not the rookies now. Crowder, Lamar, Cup. So there's Coop, and then we have Aaron Jones. Put these ones over here. Jalen Hurts. He was a big chase the previous year. Even Taylor. Okay, here's the rest of the rookies here. So we have Rashad, Wallace, and Yeah, Ian Bookings. All right, last look here. Man, I think, so what do you think? $150, do you think it would be worth buying this for $150? I mean, you get the same cards every single time. It's not like it's, there's Burrow and Herbert right there, back to back. Like to see that. I mean, at the end of the day, it is what it is. It's a lot of money. There's A-Rod. Cam. I'll pass on that one for now. But yeah, so I think it's worth it because I mean I paid $30 for a blaster, and you might not get anything. There's a mat, and then you pay $20 for the hangers, man. So a couple blasters and hangers. There's Mahomes, and then next thing you know, like you could have bought the whole set and literally had everybody in this crazy Pulsar instead of just the regular stock. The downside is you don't get obviously all the crazy inserts that come in. So, but it's, I mean, why limit yourself to one product? Instead you could get multiple different ones. And if you guys actually want to buy one of these, I'll link them in the description. They are available. There's Brady right there. They are available on the website of Target, so I don't see them going anywhere. These sits, there's a Russell too. These things kind of sit on the side. That's what they're known for doing. For the most part, I got the Flux ones. I got the Don Russ ones. The Don Russ basketball, they don't have anymore, but Fanatic still has them. And oh man, that's terrible. But the Don Russ basketball is pretty bad, to be honest, because they're totally off-centered. So that is what it is. So here's a recap of the ones I pulled: Russell, Tom, Patrick, Matt, A-Rod, A. Rogers, Burrow, Herbert, Cup, and then Jamar, Trey, Jalen, Mac, Trey, Justin, Zach, and Trevor. I'd say these are the top rookies. I want to do something here though. I want to go ahead and increase my odds here with that little 5-pack. Hopefully they're all rookies in that one little 5-pack, but I'm hoping, fingers crossed, it's one of these 3 out of the pot. So obviously there's quite a few that it could be out of all these ones. Sermon, Zach. I mean, I'm going for these 3 right here though. If I could get one of these 3, I would be pretty stoked. But I don't even know what these ones are going to be again. So there's the Fields right there. All right, so just to make sure, guys, this is what we're looking for here. There is base red. That's what all of them are going to look like, red, unless we are lucky enough to get a base blue or a green, gold, or black. 50-1. So get black, it's going to be a 1-1. And then, yeah, so obviously we want to get green, gold, or black for these guys right here. Stay out of here, red. And we want these 3. We want a black, Mac Jones, or one of these 3. So fingers crossed, man. It's basically a $150 pack, but we're going for it. All right. Well, red we don't want, but rookie. Do we have? I don't know. We have blue, so it doesn't look like a lot of red, blue, and maybe gold. Javon Holland, the Dolphins there. And we have a blue, Derrick Henry. Not number, oh, it is numbered to 50. The red, Kirk Cousins. Is this a red JJ Watts, or is it a gold? Ooh, it's gold. It's to 15. Ooh, Justin Fields. There we go, but not numbered. Ah, nice, buddy. I got the red at least, but man, I wish this was a higher one. Yo, I can't be mad at that. That was legit. We got JJ Watts. I mean, not terrible either. That's a fun little crapshoot game right there. It's a high risk for sure. Kirk Cousins, look at that, man. Looks dope, but non-numbered. And I think the Henry was to 50. So 3 out of the 5 were red, bros. But still, I mean, 2 of them were not, so that's good. Derrick Henry, 10 of 50. Take that, 2. And then Javon Holland here with the no number. Looks cool though. I like the stars in the backdrop and stuff. Looks pretty fire. This is a fun one, man. I mean, honestly, there's enough rookies here. I feel like it's a value set where it's worth getting if you like the players, if you like the rookies, and you want to have a fun, different set to have like in a binder or whatever. And then you get this is a bonus, which is super rad. I mean, getting that one was cool. Very, very cool. Glad to get one of these 3 like I was hoping. And then JJ Watts to 15, and a number 1 to 15. So dope, very, very dope to get that. And then Kirk and Javon, at least we got another rookie too. And then we got the to 50. So 2 numbered, man, I guess. And then you got the Mac Jones, Jamar Chase, Justin Fields, all of the base guys there. So there's 3 rookies, and then what was it, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8-ish Chase rookies, and then some. I mean, obviously the other ones that I didn't pull out, plus the stars, whichever stars you guys, you know, like, and whatever. Like, these are the ones I chose for myself, like Cooper, Wilson, Brady, of course, Mahomes, Stafford, Rodgers, Burrow, and then Herbert. I mean, that's a pretty strong lineup for having these Pulsar cards, even though they're based in this set. I'm justifying it for myself. I think it was a rad set, and definitely really stoked that I was able to pull that guy right there. But yeah, this is a fun one, man. I'm glad that I ended up picking it up. If you guys, again, want to buy them, check it out in the description to Target. And I like it. And hopefully I don't waste my money and buy another one because I'm really tempted. But thanks for watching. Have a good one. See you guys.